Hello everyone, Hamel here, going through my plan on Zoom Info. They report earnings after hours tomorrow. As always, please do your own due diligence. These are my thoughts, and this is my plan on what I am planning on doing tomorrow. So before we jump on to that, Zoom Info. So let's look at the weekly chart. So expanding sponsorship, I like to look at that. 3 of the IBD mutual funds as an ownership in this. As we can look here, relative strength of 73, which is outperforming spiders. It just came out of cup, and then it has pulled back and found support right at this initial resistance level, or a prior resistance level of 53.08. If we look on the left side here for fundamentals, so 2020 was a big year for the company, so it is going to slow down. This year it's going to earn less, or improvement in earnings would be less compared to the prior year. When we look down here, so it has had some solid sales growth and then earnings growth as well. Now let's look at what the company does very quick here. Now again, this is a recent issue, so it's a little bit more volatile. As we can see, the number of shares in float and the outstanding shares. So let's look at what the company does. So this is what popped up while I was waiting to record this video. So it provides real-time data, real-time action, leverages the intent signals to refine, sales, to help with sales, etc., etc. So just again, it's a real-time intent data, and then they use some other metrics. So it combines the artificial intelligence and machine learning technologies to help teams stay focused to meet their targets, basically. So there's a lot more things it does. Sales, marketing, enterprise, account management, recruiting, etc., etc. Just giving a very superficial information on what the company does. I like to know that at least. When we look at the earnings prospects, so it's continued growth, revenue. I like to see growth. There's a growth there. Let's go to the daily chart here. So on the daily chart, this is the information I have. So after hours tomorrow, implied move of $9.46 as per option market, 21% rev growth 2021 to 2022. So for 2022, 19% earnings growth. So it is going to slow down, but still very healthy growth for 2022. So I'm up 19%. I have been in this stock for 27 days. So I marked the implied move lines right here. So this is my cost basis indicated by an arrow when I entered the stock. So I plan on holding this over the earnings. I was planning on selling, but I want to give my positions more time to work. And this has some solid growth prospects. So I'm going to take a chance. And either way, I should not be losing too much money. Yes, I will lose the profits. Now, I have 50% position size in this. So I may actually add down the road based on how this performs. Now, I raised my target on this to $70. So again, this is, I didn't really use any particular formula, but initially I was going to sell at 58, which I'm not going to anymore. I want to let this do its job, and let's see how far it can go. But at some point, I will definitely take some profits. So my new target is $70. So we'll see if that hits that before next earnings. Not tomorrow, the earnings after. So that's all I have. That's my plan on Zoom Info. I hope you have your own plan. I hope this is working for you. Let's see what future brings. That's all I have. Take care.